their home, after months, even years, among the stars. But the journey has taken its toll. What you're about to see is the incredible and sometimes shocking story of what space does to the human body, in reverse. Months of microgravity mean muscles don't have to work as hard. In reverse, we see the incredible process of the body rebuilding what it lost. Imagine your muscles, once weakened by the lack of gravity's constant pull, now remembering how to support your weight. And the bones, thinned by the lack of stress, slowly becoming denser, stronger, ready for Earth's embrace once more. Without gravity pulling fluids downwards, they redistribute throughout the body, leading to a puffy face and other changes. Here, we witness that fluid returning to its normal distribution. The cardiovascular system, no longer working against gravity to pump blood, slowly readjusts. The heart, which adapted to a different workload, returns to its regular rhythm and size. One of the more noticeable changes in space is increased height as the spine elongates in the absence of gravity. Watch as the astronaut's spine gently compresses back down, the intervertebral discs regaining their normal shape. It's a physical manifestation of the different forces at play in space and on Earth. The longer humans stay in space, the more we learn about the potential long-term effects. While we can't fully reverse time on a cellular level in this visualization, it's important to remember the incredible adaptability and potential vulnerabilities of the human body when exposed to the harsh environment beyond our planet. Scientists are still working to understand the full scope of these changes. This incredible reversal highlights the profound impact of space on the human form. From the smallest cell to the entire musculoskeletal system, our bodies are constantly adapting to the forces around us. Understanding these changes is crucial as we venture further into the cosmos. What other secrets does space hold? Share this video and let us know what aspects of space travel fascinate you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic adventures.